Hello everyone, I'm Rajesh Bhaktavachalam and welcome to my channel My Digital Brand. Are you struggling to boost your ranking on Google My Business? Do you want to know the secrets of reaching number one spot on Google business profiles? Well, you are in right place. In this video, we will help you to climb to the top and dominate the search results of Google My Business. Before moving into the ranking strategies, if anyone want to know what is Google Business Profile and how to create it, please refer my previous session. For easy access, I have provided the link in the description page. Let's deep dive into the ranking strategies directly. First things first, ensure that all your business information is accurate and up to date on your Google business profile. This includes your address, phone number, website, and business hours. Utilize high quality images that showcase your products or services to attract potential customers. Remember, visuals are key in making a lasting impression. Encourage customers to leave positive reviews on your Google business profile. Reviews play a significant role in building trust and credibility with your audience. Take advantage of Google Posts to share updates, promotions, and events with your audience. This helps to keep your profile fresh and engaging. Use relevant keywords in your business description and posts to improve your chances of appearing in relevant searches. Keyword research is very crucial for optimizing your profile. I have implemented all the key strategies in my Google business profile. Now it's time for validation. Now I am going to perform the key search which has been found in my business description, that is cold press oil, wood press oil and Marachuk oil. Now you can see for all these key searches my Google business has been responding in number one position. I believe this session will help you understand the strategies to optimize your Google business profile and increase the ranks. It's time to take the action. Implement these strategies consistently, track your progress, and watch your profile rank on number one spot on Google. Remember, persistence and strategic planning are the keys to success in the digital world. Good luck.